the cost of running a movie theater is rupees 10,000 per day. Okay, so this is the fixed cost. Okay, rupees 10,000 per day is the fixed cost, plus additional rupees 5,000 per show. Okay, so on running per show, রিতমা শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো clearly?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Plus additional rupees 5,000 per show. The theater has 200 seats. ঠিক আছে, থিয়েটারটা কটা সিটস আছে? 200 total seats আছে. A new movie released on Friday. Okay, there were 3 shows where the ticket price was rupees 250 each for the first 2 shows and rupees 200 for the late night show. Fine. So for the first 2 shows, what is the price? 250, and for the late night show, the price is 200. For all shows together, total occupancy was 80%. For all shows together, not for each. For all shows together, total occupancy was 80%. What was the maximum amount of profit possible? Profit possible. Okay. So you see, total number of seats. So what is the total number of seats? Or you can say, what is the total number of
200,
tickets sold? What is the
160.
total? 600, right? Because 200 seats are there, so there are 3 shows, so 600 tickets are sold. And what was the occupancy? 80%. So actual number of tickets sold, actual number of tickets sold is 80% of 600, which is 480, right? Now see, the ticket price for the first 2 shows is rupees 250, and for the late night show it is 200, right? And we have to maximize the profit. So for maximizing the profit, we have to maximize the SP. Now see, let us assume that for the first 2 shows, all the tickets have been sold, right? So this 480 can be broken as what? 200 plus 200, okay, plus 80. So this 2 slots can be taken as the the first 2 shows, and the last one can be taken as the late night show, right? So what is the total? SP, right? What is the total SP? So 400 into 250, right? Because the first 2 shows cost rupees 250 each, plus 200 into 80, okay, 200 into 80, okay. So what is the total revenue? 3 0, right? বুঝতে পেরেছো রিতমা? This is the total revenue, the maximum revenue that can be generated. Now বুঝতে পেরেছো রিতমা এটা এতটা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, now see, what is the total cost? What is the total cost? Cost is rupees 10,000 per day. So for Friday, what was the cost? 10,000 plus 5,000 rupees per show. So how many shows were there? 3 shows are there.
15,000. 15,000 plus 10,000.
Yeah, so that is going to be 15,000, so that is going to be 25,000. Okay, so what is the maximum profit? 116 minus, if you do, you will get 91,000.
91,000.
All right,